This was shot probably a couple months back. It was in a cold spell. It was like -40 where we're supposed to go do a rig move. I came in and of course, surprise, the truck's outside. It's only plugged in a block heater. It actually turns out my block heater was fried. It wasn't even plugged into the block in the first place, so I don't know how I made it this far in the winter. But yeah, my truck wouldn't start. I went and tried another one. It was plugged in. We even ran the Pro Heat for a little while, but by then, try, the battery's dead. And at that point, I think I almost got stage 1 frostbite on my big toe, which still, a month and a half later, still doesn't feel quite right. But it hasn't turned black and I haven't had to cut it off yet. Alright, well, another rig, another day, another freezing cold. Put the cardboard in the front of my truck last night so it wouldn't blow up on my way to work. I see everybody else's truck is running but mine, so that's on, so that's a good sight. Please, baby, please. Oh, she doesn't sound happy. Ha! Just as I expected. Oh, sakes, push that clutch in. Fuckered. Alright, well mine didn't start, so as we're driving a Pete today, if it starts, the other spare that I could have took is not plugged in. Fucking cold. You can tell by the crunchy footsteps. Well, it's plugged in. I'm gonna hit my shit on the clutch. Oh, it's fucking cold on the hands. That's what I want to be doing. Jesus fuck! Can't hold it anymore. No. Fuck that. Fuck that.
How's you need to boost?
No. It's not gonna go.
Although it should help now.
Fuck.
Here's my batteries and everything.
Brand new batteries. Yeah, he's like, no, I don't think so. So now we'll go into the next day after my truck was in the shop, got new batteries, block heater, da 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 da, and it was only -30. We're just gonna zip down here west of Airdrie. It's almost Cochrane pretty much. We're just gonna flop over some tanks, do some racking, some fracking stuff. Pretty simple, easy, everything goes good. And we'll bring the stuff back to CSI, unload, reload, and then go to Evergreen and unload the clean stuff. And that'll be it. No frostbite.
I don't know what's wrong. Something is bothering me. I can't sleep. bothering me.